Hello students, welcome to class 7th maths on my YouTube channel. Now let us continue practice set 50 part 2 on textbook page number 93. We have already done question number first and question number 2. Now we have to do question number third and question number 4. Of which of the binomials given below is m square n square plus 14 mn pq plus 49 p square q square the expansion. Okay, when you use the formula of a plus b the whole square, this answer is coming m square n square plus 14 mn pq plus 49 p square q square, and four options are given: m plus n, p plus q, mn minus pq, 7 mn plus pq, mn plus 7 pq. Out of these four options, only one is the correct answer. If you check this given binomials here, four options, you have to check only a plus b the whole square to get the answer of this. First one, m plus n p plus q. First option is not going. So check second option, mn minus pq. Mn minus pq option also is not going. Here minus is given and here plus is given. Okay. Then check third options, 7mn plus pq. First one given what here number? 7. 7 square is getting 49 when you use the formula a plus b the whole square. Here first one is not given 49 here. So option third will not go. Then you have to check fourth option, mn plus 7q. Look here now, I am solving it. I have already done here. Mn plus 7pq the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then write the question again, mn plus 7pq the whole square. Which number is belong to a and b? You have to check that in the given questions. mn is in a place, 7pq is in b place, and you have to write this expansion form. You have to buy the formulas, student. A square plus 2ab plus b square in given question. Now start doing it. That is mn square plus 2 into mn into 7pq plus 7pq the whole square. Mn the whole square answer is getting m square n square. Different variables is given m and n. So you have to write in different square form if different variables are given. That is m square n square plus 2 into mn into 7pq. First you have to multiply the number and then the variable. 2 sevens are 14. 14 into mn into pq means 14 mn pq. Okay. Then next is plus 7pq the whole square. First you have to multiply the square of the variables. Square of the variables remain the same, but here pq is given different variable. Okay. If different variables are there, you have to write differently in square form. That is p square q square. And now you have to multiply the square of the number. 7 square is 49. Okay. So the final answer is getting m square n square plus 14 mn pq plus 49 p square q square. Okay. So option D is the correct answer after solving. Now we'll do question number 4. Use an expansion formula to find the values. In this sum, you have to do subtraction expansion form and addition expansion form. I will explain you how to do. 997 the whole square means 1000 minus 3 the whole square. How you take subtraction expansion form here? You have to check only the unit place number. If the number is more than 5, that is 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10 in the unit place, you have to take subtraction expansion form. Okay. When you want to take subtraction expansion form here, always you have to take after this number or any number is given. After this number means it should be 0 in the unit place. 0 in the unit place, after this number is coming 1000. From 1000, how much number difference is coming to get 997? 1000 minus 3. 3 number difference is there. 997, count it after 997. 998, 999, 1000. So 3 number difference is there. So 1000 minus 3 square. This is subtraction expansion form. Now use a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is 1000 minus 3 the whole square. Now you have to solve, which you have taken subtraction expansion form. Which is the number belong to a and b? You have to do that. And you have to solve in this form. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is 1000 is in a place, 3 is in b place. That is 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 3 plus 3 square. Okay. It's equal to 1000 square means 1000 multiplied by 1000 minus 2 into 1000 into 3 means 6000. 1000 2s are 2000. 2000 into 3 is 6000. 2 table you should know. And then you have to add 0. How much zeros are there here? Plus 3 square is 9. Answer is getting 9,94,009. Here I have done. Check it. 1000 into 2000 I got 10 lakh minus 2 into 1000 into 3. 1000 3s are 3000 I am getting. 3000 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Then 3 0 I have to add. So that's why I am getting 6000. Okay. Plus 3 square is 9. Here I have solved also. 10 lakh minus 6000 is 9 lakh 94,000 is getting here. 9 lakh 94,000 plus 9 you have to add. Here I have added this part. So answer is getting 9 lakh 94,009. Now we'll do next one. Second one is 102 the whole square. Now check in the unit place. Which number is there? Unit place is there 2. Okay. So it is number less than 5. If it is number less than 5 or up to 5, you have to take addition expansion form. That is 100 plus 2 the whole square. When you take addition expansion form, here you have to take first unit place. What is there? 2. 1 is in which place? 1 is in 100 place. So you have 100 plus 2. So it becomes 100 plus 2 the whole square. So use the formula a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is 100 plus 2 the whole square is 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square. 100 is in a place, then 2 is in b place. Okay. I wrote in this form. Which is the number belong to a and b? You have to do. 2ab you have to take multiplication form always. Answer is getting 100 into 100 means 10,000 plus 2 into 100 into 2 means 400. 100 2s are 200. 200 2s are 400 plus 2 square means 4. 2 2s are 4. After adding this all, I am getting answer 10,404. Look here, I have done 100 into 100. How much zeros are there? You can count here. 4 zeros are there. This is simple multiplication. Then 1 ones are 1. Then after this, I have solved this one multiplication. 100 2s are 200. 200 2s are 400. Here I have solved. Plus 2 square. 2 square means 2 2s are. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Then 10,000 plus 400 plus 4. Answer is getting 10,404. Now next one, 97 square. 97 square will be written as 100 minus 3 the whole square. Again you have to take subtraction expansion form. Unit place what you have? 7. It is number greater than 5. If it is number greater than 5, what did I told you? You have to take subtraction expansion form. Now 97, after 97, which number is coming 0 in the unit place? Count after 97. 98, 99, 100. 0 in the unit place is coming 100. So how much difference is there here to get 97? 3 difference. Count it. After 97, 98, 99, 100. So 3 difference is there. 100 minus 3 is 97 square. So this way you have to do. So now use the formula a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is 100 minus 3 the whole square, which I have taken a subtraction expansion form. You have to solve. Which is the number belong to a and b? Check it that and solve in this form. 100 minus 3 the whole square is equal to 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square. Okay. 2ab means 2 into 100 into 3 multiplication form. And now do 100 into 100 means 10,000. Just now I have done in second sum. Minus 100 twos are 200. 200 into 3, 600. Plus 3 square. 3 threes are 9. Students, you should know the square of the number table also. 10,000 minus 600 I have subtracted first and then I have added this one. So answer is getting 9,409. You can check it. I have done here. 10,000 minus 600 I am getting 9,400. Subtraction you have to do it properly. And then 9,400 plus 9 I have done here. Answer is getting 9,409. First you have to solve always any two numbers. After solving any two numbers which you get the answer, then you have to solve third one number. Okay, always remember that. Now we'll do last sum. 1005 the whole square. Now unit place is 5. If the number is less than 5 or up to 5, you have to take addition expansion form. Okay. In addition expansion form, you have to take before the number. Before the number, only it should be 0 in the unit place. That is 1000. 1 is in which place? 1000 place. 5 is in unit place. If you want to take addition expansion form, you have to take only the unit place or the 1000 place here in the given number. If 4 digit are there. If it is 3 digit is there, you have to see only the unit place and 100 place. Okay. When you want to take addition expansion form, you have to take before the number. It should be 0 in the unit place. 1005 count it before the number in the 0 in the unit place. That is 1000 plus 5 the whole square. Got it? Here 5 in the unit place remain same. You have to write as it is. Then plus 1 is in which place? 1000 place. So 1000. So now start solving it. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is 1000 plus 5 the whole square, which I took here expansion form. That is 1000 square plus 2 into 1000 into 5 plus 5 square. Which number belong to A and B? I have done. I wrote in this form. Students, I am explaining you clearly till you understand. 1000 into 1000. In first one sum I have done. 1000 square means 10 lakh. Okay. Plus 2 into 1000 means 2000. 2000 into 5 is 10,000. 2 pies are 10. And how much zeros are there? That much zero you have to put. Then plus 5 square. 5 square is 25. And now you have to add this totally. Answer is getting 10 lakh, 10,000 and 25. I have done here. If you like this maths video, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.